Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best bath bombs is probably one of the most delightful ways to transform your ordinary bath or shower into a luxurious spa-like experience. These fizzy, fragrant treats are designed to moisturize your skin, relax your body, and create a soothing atmosphere with their delightful scents and colors. Join me as we dive into the world of bath and shower bombs, exploring the best options available and helping you find the perfect ones to elevate your self-care routine. Number 5. Cleverfy Shower Steamers, Aromatherapy for Stress Relief. This 6-pack includes 6 unique scents: lavender, menthol and eucalyptus, vanilla, watermelon, grapefruit, and peppermint. Each scent is designed to transform your shower into a refreshing experience. It offers a home spa experience. These shower steamers help you unwind in the evenings and energize your mornings. You can say goodbye to restless nights and hello to energetic days. These aromatherapy shower steamers are made cruelty-free with essential oils and natural fragrances. They offer pleasantly strong scents. Enjoy the benefits of an aromatherapy spa from the comfort of your home. Looking for unique gifts? These shower bombs are perfect for bridal showers, bachelorette parties, or birthdays. They are a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Enjoy daily serenity as you shower away the stress. Simply place one in the corner of your shower and let it work its magic. Breathe deeply and enjoy the moment. What we like? This product offers a delightful variety of scents, allowing you to tailor your shower experience to your mood. It provides a home spa experience, helping you unwind and relax. If you are looking for a thoughtful gift for someone special, this is a great choice, as it's perfect for any occasion. What people say? Very strong scents. Great product, adds a great perfumed aroma to your invigorating shower. Smells amazing and is very soothing. Number 4. Body Restore Eucalyptus Shower Steamers 15-pack. These shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils. They are perfect for deep relaxation and relief. It's a great way to start or end your day. This set lasts longer than typical shower steamers. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to restore and relax naturally. This is ideal for self-care or as a thoughtful gift. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone who needs a little extra relaxation. Let it help you unwind after a long day. Compact and convenient, these steamers are travel must-haves. They are perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Take it with you wherever you go. Spoil your loved ones with this gift on any special occasion. Whether it's for a birthday or a holiday, it's the ultimate choice for relaxation and stress relief. Give the gift of tranquility. What we like? This product is infused with the refreshing scent of eucalyptus, known for its relaxing and revitalizing properties. It lasts longer than typical shower steamers, providing extended enjoyment. If you are a frequent traveler or simply need a convenient way to relax on the go, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? I like that these are individually wrapped, have a strong scent, and are easy to open, don't require scissors. I placed one on a shower stool with light direct stream, around 15 to 20% of total shower head stream, and was able to get somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes out of a single tablet. They melt fairly fast, but I don't shower long, and it's just enough to clear my sinuses and set the mood for my day, or sleep. Number 3. Body Restore Lavender Shower Steamers, Relaxing Gifts. These lavender-scented shower steamers are infused with natural essential oils. They offer relaxing nighttime support, making them perfect as gifts for anyone who needs to unwind. This set provides a deluxe home spa experience. Lasting longer than typical shower steamers, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to restore and relax naturally. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone who needs a little self-care and relaxation after a long day. Compact and convenient, these self-care bath bombs are travel must-haves. They are perfect for on-the-go relaxation, no matter where you are. Surprise your loved ones with this thoughtful gift. Whether it's for Christmas, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, or a birthday, it's the ultimate choice for spa and stress relief. What we like? This product features the calming aroma of lavender, ideal for promoting relaxation and restful sleep. It offers a deluxe home spa experience, helping you wash away stress and fatigue. If you like to unwind before bed, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They come in a variety of scents. They melt appropriately. They give off a nice fragrance and are easy to place in a corner of the tub. Number 2. Body Restore Citrus Shower Steamers, Unique Gifts. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils. They are perfect as gifts for anyone who needs to relax. This set lasts longer than typical shower steamers. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to restore and relax naturally. It is ideal for self-care. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone who needs to unwind after a long day. Compact and convenient, these steamers are travel must-haves for on-the-go relaxation. They are perfect for taking with you wherever you go. Spoil your loved ones with this gift on any special occasion. When it comes to spa gifts or stress relief, this is the ultimate choice. What we like. This product is infused with a refreshing citrus scent, perfect for an invigorating shower experience. It offers a deluxe home spa experience, helping you wash away stress and fatigue. If you are looking for a way to energize your mornings or need a travel-friendly option, this is a great choice. What people say. Each steamer has a vibrant citrus scent that fills the bathroom, providing an instant burst of relaxation and energy. The quality of the steamers is top-notch. They dissolve slowly, releasing a steady stream of aroma without fizzling out too quickly. The Body Restore shower steamers are a delightful way to elevate your shower experience. These steamers release a refreshing and soothing aroma when exposed to water, turning your shower into a mini spa session. Number 1. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 30 PCS Gift Set. This aromatherapy shower steamer set includes 6 delightful scents. Each steamer is individually wrapped and labeled, making it easy to choose your favorite. Select one and treat yourself to a spa-like experience. This shower steamer gift set is ideal for anyone who loves to relax. It's perfect for parties, Christmas, birthdays, and more. Give it to your loved ones or enjoy it yourself. After a long day, take a moment to unwind with this product. Place a tablet away from the direct shower stream. Let it dissolve slowly and release its soothing essential oils. Take a deep breath and enjoy the relaxing vapor. These shower bombs are handmade with gentle, natural ingredients. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and free of harmful chemicals. The pure essential oils will create a fragrant and relaxing atmosphere in your shower. Simply place the shower melt on the shower floor, away from the direct stream. Splash a little warm water on it to activate the vapor. Breathe deeply and enjoy the aromatherapy experience. What we like. This product offers a variety of scents, allowing you to choose your favorite. It is made with safe and natural ingredients, ensuring a gentle and enjoyable experience. If you are looking for a gift set for any occasion, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They dissolve well, not too fast and not too slow. They have not stained my grout in the shower, which was a concern for me. They put a light scent in the shower. The puck usually lasts for about 2 showers. Some of the scents are not very strong, others are pretty fragrant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.